ngifisa ukuzibongela ngale video engiyenzayo njengoba bazike abantu abaningi ukuthi namhlanje bekuyi-usuku lwesibili lama-awards. Ngifike ke futhi ngahlabana nge-award yesibili ye-Best Male Artist African. Ngaphuma phambili. Isho likhulu ke le award ngoba isho uqoba njengomculi owenza kahle e-Africa, not KwaZulu-Natal noma e-South Africa, but e-Africa yonkana. So ke ngiqokiwe ke la ngase ngihlabana khona lapha e-America. Lena ke yesibili esilale nayo izolo indondo kube ye-Best Independent Artist African. La khona ababuka umculi okwazi ukuzimela enza izinto ezimele ngegama lakhe ngaphandle kwemhlawumbe ezibe ngaphansi kwekhampani, but ekwazi ukuthi enza izinto zenzeke ngaphansi kwegama lakhe eyimele. Uqoba-ke kwami kusho lukhulu kakhulu ngoba kusho ukuthi ipanel le esebenza internationally ekuyiyona enza ucwaningo nge-research wona onke amazwe ikwazile ukuthi e-South Africa ifike ibuye nami, iyabuya nami ngiphila namhlanje ngila e-United States ngihlomule ngey'ndondo eziwu-2, Best Male Artist African and Best Independent Artist African. I'm so grateful, ikakhulukazi bona bonke abantu abangisapothile. Ngakhuluma ngama-donation, ngikhulume ngawo wonke umuntu obe neqhaza ohambeni lwami lomculo. Today is where we are. We are at Los Angeles, United States of America, holding 2 awards. Ngohambo lethu esaliqala 15 years ago. Today ikula olusibeke khona. Ngibonga kakhulu bona wonke umuntu ongisapothile kuze ngikube la. Maskandi, this is yours. South Africa, this is yours. Everyone who loves music, this is yours. I will never been here if it wasn't your help and support. Thank you very much.